Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can tell from the title, I'm doing another Givenchy Mini Antigona unboxing. Yes, I bought two of them. Yes, I bought two. This one actually was the first one I purchased, but there was issues with customs, so I didn't get it in time. The other one came first. That one had no issues, so I decided to just, you know, unbox it and do the video on that one first. But this one was the first one I purchased. This one was actually the first one I saw, the first one I wanted, everything. So yeah, so if you watched the first video, you know, I kind of like said why I got my bag. So, you know, graduated, extremely proud of myself, and I wanted to reward myself because I do feel as if, you know, if you accomplish something, you should reward yourself, whatever it is to you, whatever it is you want. You should reward yourself within your means. Within your means, you know, you got to be responsible, make sure, you know, everything that is a necessity is taken care of, bills and so on. And then if you have extra money, extra funds or whatever, then treat yourself within your means. Now within your means. So that's what I did. I treated myself. Now I did not expect to get two. I really didn't. I was on the Suffrage's website and I was going to get the black Givenchy Mini Antigona. It was in my cart, everything, and I actually went to get my debit card, and then I was like, girl, check Rakuten. Went on Rakuten, put in Suffrages, and then it gave me all these other recommendations. It comes to you from DHL, so you have to sign for it. So I think that's fine that, you know, it has the company information on it, because you do have to sign for this item. This is just telling you thank you for shopping with them. It comes with another box inside of it, and when you open it, this is how it comes. So same thing, this bag has the logo in the front as well as in the back. And this one was the one that I was talking about, the first one that I've always wanted. This one was the one that was on my wish list, and I had to just, you know, save my money and just know that when it's my time, it will be mine. So this is it right here. So this is how, you know, they come. So same thing, the handles are very stiff. Let me show you guys like I did the other one. Okay, hopefully you guys, oh, I'm not even in frame. It's okay. So hopefully you guys could see. I think y'all could see. Yeah, y'all could see it. Turn around. And the inside. So I'm gonna just have her right here like the other one till my hand gets tired. So this one is the Givenchy Mini Antigona and calf leather. It says on the paper and whatnot, and this is the black one. This is the one that I've had on my wish list, you know, 2 years ago. This is a classic. I love this bag. I do not care if nobody wear it, because I buy my stuff for me. I don't buy my stuff because that's what currently trending and popular. So yeah, I don't think I showed you guys the back, the bottom, same as the other one. So yeah, so I don't really care if this is not what's in right now. I love this bag. I think this is such a classic bag. Just like the other one, it is very, you know, if you don't know, you don't know, you know, because the logo is very, to me, the logo is not out there. I don't mind a logo being out there either. I mean, my Louis with all the monograms, I don't mind. I wear what I want. If I like it, that's all that matters. But with this bag, somebody might just think, oh, that's just a very structured, very classy looking bag, because to me this is a very classy looking bag. If you have the small or the medium, I don't know anybody that has the large because that thing is big. So if you have the small or the medium, I know, you know, people use them for work, because this is a work bag. Like, it is so cute and classy. But me, I love mini bags, so of course I went with the mini for both of them. Even this being a mini, to me this is a small. Very beautiful bag, a classic bag in my opinion. I don't think this will ever go out of style. Again, that's my opinion. I just love it. I just think this is such a beautiful bag. Again, wanted this bag for a while, and yes, I don't know if I finished with the story, since I said the same thing on the first video, so I don't know if I already said this. But yeah, so I went on the Rakuten website because I had everything on my cart and Selfridges, and I was going to you know, purchase the item. Went on Rakuten, Rakuten told me about this website, which is Italist, and I went on it, and I actually just went on it just to see what they had, because I'm like, if Rakuten is recommending this website, definitely recommending it because it has the same thing that Selfridges has, that Essence has, that Farfetch has, and so on. So I went on the website just to see what they had, you know, but I knew what I wanted, so I didn't really want to just be there, just, you know, get distracted and sidetracked. So I typed in the name of the company and the bag that I wanted, and all of their bags that they had on the website showed up. Again, it is a website, the company is based in Italy, and it's from what I've read, because I did look into it to make sure, you know, everything is good. They work with other boutiques that are in Italy, so items that I guess are not in season anymore, they put for sale. Again, since it is coming from Italy, you do have to pay for customs and duties. You know, when you are checking out, it adds the customs and duties, and you will see the price change. As soon as you add your payment information, I paid with my you know, debit card, you know, my checking information and whatnot. I got the email right away that my order went through. So, you know, if you're paying with credit or something like that, I'm pretty sure it'll be the same thing. And yeah, I got the confirmation that it went through. And then I believe they are, I don't know what time zone they are, I don't know, because they emailed me, like somebody actually emailed me at night when I was asleep about my order, letting me know, you know, it's being prepared, and for me to keep in mind that the DHL in Italy as well as the boutique in Italy are working. I forgot the time zone that they mentioned, so you know, it might take a while. But again, this item came really fast. The only reason I did not get it right away was because of issues in regards of DHL and custom, which had to get taken care of. Actually, I ordered the other one the next day, because I went back on the website just looking, and then I saw it and I just thought it was just so pretty. Before I put the strap on, I don't think I showed you guys this in the first one, so I'm going to show it here. Hopefully it could focus, but it does say Givenchy. It's probably really small, so you probably can't see it. And this is how the clip thing is. So yeah, as I was saying, I've done my research on this bag for a while, so I was already aware that this is how this little hatch hook thing is. It takes a while for me to put it on. Same thing happened with the brown one. So let me see if I can show you guys. Let me see if it'll focus. Okay, so as you can see here, you basically have to connect them for it to go in. It does have a piece of the leather, so I guess before you clean the actual bag itself, you could test it on this so you don't mess up your bag. This one, y'all, like the other one, I really didn't do a good job showing you the inside, but this one, the lighting is black, so this one, yeah, you can't see anything. You can't see anything. But same thing, it has a zipper pocket, and then it has the tag that says Givenchy, and then on top here it has the tool pocket. And yeah, I was having such a hard time remembering zipper pull. The freaking zipper pull. So let me zip it up so you guys could see. I just love how big that zipper is, and the zipper pull, I love how like big it is as well. Like it's very easy for you to just zip it. But yeah, I'm in love. This is both of them. They're the same size. This one is just, I guess, smooth leather, and then this one is the croc leather. So, you know, I got a black one. I mean, you could wear both. They're both neutral colors in my opinion. This tag is the company's tag, and it basically states the same thing. Do not remove if you want to return it. So if you do purchase from them, keep that in mind. Don't remove this. That's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching another one. I definitely appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.